It is a useless life that is not consecrated to a great ideal. It is like a stone wasted on the field without becoming a part of any edifice. Naglalaho sa loob ng klase ang mga hadlang na itinatayo ng politika upang hatiin ang mga lahi, natutulaw wari sa alab ng kaalaman at kabataan. One only dies once, and if one does not die well, a good opportunity is lost and will not present itself again. Our liberty will not be secured at the sword's point. We must secure it by making ourselves worthy of. And when the people reaches that height, God will provide a weapon. The idols will be shattered. Tyranny will crumble like a house of cards, and liberty will shine out like the first dawn. Walang mang-aalipin kung walang paaalipin. While people preserves its language, it preserves the marks of liberty. It is not the criminals who arouse the hatred of others, but the men who are honest. Ano sa makatwid ang isang universidad? Isang institusyon para hindi matuto.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you!